उधर आंध्र प्रदेश की जगन मोहन रेड्डी सरकार ने अपने 2 साल की मुद्दतकार पूरी कर ली है और इस मौके पर सीएम वाईएस जगन मोहन रेड्डी ने कई स्कीमों का ऐलान किया है। गुज़िश्ता दिनों शराब से हुई अमवात को देखते हुए पॉलिसी में कई बदलाव किए गए हैं। रेड्डी ने अपनी सरकार की दूसरी सालगिरह के मौके पर 16 सफ़ाहत की किताब भी जारी की है, जिसमें कहा गया है कि परिवारों को इस बुराई से बचाने के लिए पूरी कोशिश करेंगे। इस दौरान जहां वाईएसआर कांग्रेस इन 2 साल को रियासत की तरक्की का बेहतरीन वक्त बता रही है, जबकि अपोजिशन का कहना है कि 2 साल में रियासत को लूटने से यहाँ पर लोग बाज नहीं आए हैं। ये जो 2 साल हैं वो रियासत को लूटने में गुजरे हैं। कई घपलों का जिक्र करते हुए वाईएसआर कांग्रेस पर पार्टी कारकुनान को स्कीमों में फ़ायदा पहुँचाने का भी इल्ज़ाम लगाया गया।
The 2 years rule of YS Jagan Mohan Reddy can be termed as a big disaster in various fronts. The state of Andhra Pradesh had been dragged into complete darkness. Thousands of crores of debt has been made in the past 2 years without any proper implementation of welfare schemes. And also there is rampant corruption. Corruption in sand, corruption in housing plots, corruption in through liquor shops, corruption through mines. So there is rampant corruption. Jagan Mohan Reddy had looted thousands of crores of rupees in the past 2 years. And we have produced all this with documented evidence. But they have never reacted to this, and people are also understanding the looting of Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy. In the name of welfare, he is actually looking after his own personal welfare.
Mohan Reddy government formed 2 years back. I am giving only one suggestion to him. Please try to rule the state. Don't leave to your people. I am thinking that still today you are not started any administration. We are coming to conclusion, people like me, you are failed in that administration. But I am once again requesting you, with a huge majority you came to the power, people-oriented, discriminated, democratic administration needed to the state. Your great challenge is Corona. Please take Corona is the only one single agenda and save the people's life. At the same time, they better to change your advisors, because your advisors doing politics.
At the time of elections, Jagan Mohan Reddy, he issued election manifesto, introduced. But we can say in a positive way, he is implementing the welfare schemes which he has proposed or which he attributed to the public. But at the same time, he is neglecting the development of the state. In these 2 years, all the way he is neglecting irrigation sector, agricultural sector, and also industrial sector also. Moreover, again and again he is going for debts. Again and again he is going for debts. Because there is a pandemic situation in Andhra Pradesh, so that he is going with all debts. Anyway, the third thing is he is practicing as a revenge politics. That is more dangerous to the democracy.